Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add an additional hard disk drive to an existing VMware virtual machine. If your virtual machine is running out of storage space, or you want a separate drive for files, backups, or testing, you can easily add a new virtual hard disk without reinstalling Windows. I'll show you how to create the new virtual disk in VMware, and then configure it inside Windows 11 so it appears as a new drive. Let's get started. You can see I'm already inside my Windows 11 virtual machine. At the top of VMware, click VM and then select Settings. In the Virtual Machine Settings window, click Add. Select Hard Disk and click Next. Choose SATA and click Next. Select Create a new virtual disk and click Next. Enter the disk size. Choose Store Virtual Disk as a single file and click Next. Select the location where you want to save the virtual hard disk file. Click Finish. Now click OK to save the virtual machine settings. Back inside Windows 11, right-click the Start button and select Disk Management. A pop-up window will appear asking you to initialize the new hard disk. Here you'll see two options, MBR and GPT. Since we're using Windows 11, GPT is the best choice and is recommended for modern systems. Select GPT and click OK. You will now see the new disk as unallocated space. Right-click the unallocated area and select New Simple Volume. Click Next. Use the maximum size and click Next. Assign a drive letter. Click Next. Select NTFS as the file system. Leave the default settings and click Next. Click Finish. Windows will quickly format the drive and make it available. Now open File Explorer. You can see the new drive has been created successfully. In this example, it appears as the D drive and is ready to use. That's it. You have successfully added an additional hard disk to your existing VMware virtual machine and configured it in Windows 11. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more VMware and Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.